into the hot socket of the power cord. Use tape to insulate it. Put the monitor power cord's plug into this power strip. Now, we don't...
Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
Like a jump start thing.
Putting ice bottles in the fridge can also help stabilize the temperature and reduce how often it needs to be turned on and off. This is just a temporary fix so that food does not spoil. I don't want to promote this because it does not comply with building codes. Continue watching this video if you want a real fix. Situation number 3. The compressor is not running, but the condenser fan is running. When the compressor is not around to...
Yeah, okay. Yeah, all right. Yeah, compressor test. Okay. Okay. Try this.
Hi guys, my name is Bill, and today we're going to diagnose a bad compressor or a bad refrigerator. Alright, so here's our bad refrigerator that we're going to be diagnosing the compressor. Now the symptoms of this machine is that it's not cooling, and it's making a buzzing and clicking sound. So we're going to go ahead and diagnose this, but before I do this, I want to show you something with another compressor. Alright, so here's a compressor that's real similar to the one that's on this refrigerator. Now there's 2 types of failures that a compressor can have. It can have an electrical failure, which means when you test the resistance between the two, I just want to make that clear real quick before we go into the actual refrigerator. Now to get to the compressor on just about every single refrigerator, you're going to have to get to the back, remove the back panel, and down here you'll find the compressor. Yep, inside there. You see those 2 white wires plugged into the relays that I showed you earlier. And what I'm going to do now is this is the bad set of relays, and the compressor is not going to fire up.
So maybe the relay's bad.
That might be, yeah.
That's why I need one to work. See, this compressor kicks in. Fans are in too.
Okay. At 2376.
$100, $200, $17.
Yeah, I'm seeing a wide range of things here.
Holy hell, I don't remember what I need, man. I probably just need that little plastic right there's one. I need $110. That's it right there. $110. Guaranteed. Refrigerator parts. Amazon. Do you think they're the cheapest?
Looks like it. That's what I'm seeing.
Yeah, $107 roughly is what you're getting. That'll be free shipping, that's for sure. While you're looking that up, Carl, I'm going to take that fan out.
Okay.
Give me a sense of...
Here we go.
I'm pretty certain that's what our issue is. He said it, we looked at it, we troubleshooted it. I'm thinking that was our solution.
Okay. Alright. Come on.
I'm gonna plug it in one time.
Yeah. Okay. Amazon. Here's your condenser fan motor. Okay. There we go. Now it's making the squeaking. Okay, it sounds like a squirrel.
I should have 2. Good. Great. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, well.
More down to the right. I see something sail down there.
Okay. Ah, here we go. This is what I was looking for. Now, how panel women direct. I'm getting 2 of these. Okay, they got them back. Yeah. Okay. That's perfect. Okay. I'll just get 2 of these.
And I'm watching where the cherries turn out.